Welcome to my channel, where we explore various online job opportunities for beginners. In today's video, we're going to talk about online typing jobs for beginners worldwide who are completely new to making money online and would like to know how to earn some extra money. Specifically, we'll focus on transcription jobs and the companies that offer them. So, let's dive right in. Transcription jobs involve listening to audio or video recordings and typing them out into written form. It's an excellent choice for those who have good listening skills, a fast typing speed, and attention to detail. Many companies hire remote transcriptionists worldwide, making it an accessible option for beginners. Let's take a look at a few examples of transcription jobs that you can pursue to earn $1,000 weekly. 1. General transcription. General transcription involves transcribing a wide range of audio content such as interviews, podcasts, webinars, and more. Companies like Rev.com, TranscribeMe, and GoTranscript offer general transcription opportunities. 2. Medical transcription. Medical transcription focuses on transcribing medical dictations, such as doctor's notes, patient records, and medical reports. Companies like Nuance Transcription Services and M*Modal hire medical transcriptionists. 3. Legal transcription. Legal transcription involves converting legal audio recordings, court proceedings, depositions, and other legal materials into text. Companies like SpeakWrite and Daily Transcription offer legal transcription jobs. 4. Captioning. Captioning involves transcribing and synchronizing text with audio or video content to provide closed captions for the deaf or hard of hearing. Companies like Rev.com and Caption Max hire captioners. Now that we've explored various transcription job options, let's discuss how to find and apply to transcription companies. First, start by researching transcription companies that align with your interests and goals. Look for companies that offer beginner-friendly opportunities and have positive reviews from employees. Visit the website of companies that you have researched and follow their application instructions carefully. Typically, you'll need to submit an online application, pass a transcription test to showcase your skills and provide relevant information. After you have passed the transcription test, you can proceed to training and support option. Some companies provide training materials or guidelines to help you improve your transcription skills. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your efficiency and accuracy. When you are satisfied with your training and followed all the guidelines, build a portfolio. As a beginner, you may not have prior transcription experience. In that case, consider creating a sample portfolio by transcribing publicly available content to showcase your skills and accuracy. Before we conclude, here are a few important tips to help you succeed in the world of transcription. 1. Practice regularly to improve your typing speed and accuracy. Utilize online typing tutorials and exercises to enhance your skills. 2. Invest in a good quality headset and transcription software that allows you to control the audio playback easily. 3. Develop good listening skills. Train yourself to decipher accents, background noise, and technical terms to transcribe accurately. 4. Pay attention to grammar, punctuation, and formatting to ensure the final transcript is error-free and professional. That wraps up our video on typing jobs worldwide for beginners, specifically focusing on transcription jobs. Remember, transcription can be a lucrative and flexible option to earn $1,000 weekly. Explore different companies, polish your skills, and you'll be on your way to a successful transcription career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Note, it's essential to update and verify the information about specific transcription companies as the industry and job availability can change over time.